Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Yes. Now, in a previous class, what I'm telling, interview question based only one table I'm creating. You are observing, you are not test one and test two table is there. Always equi-join returns or inner join returns matching rows only. I'm telling in a previous class. Here, observe it here. Connect, spot, and tiger lines. Here, some tables I'm creating. You are observing or not. Test one is a table in a previous class. Again, here, test select star from test two is a table I'm creating. Through these two tables, equi-join, sorry, select star from test two. Whenever, yes, these tables I'm typing means automatically here the data is there. Now I am using a what? Inner join I'm using. You are observing or not in a previous class. Inner join I'm using. Inner join means how can I? Anybody have an idea? Select star from test one, okay na? Join test two like this. Here concentrate. To test two dot a, and also I am writing a what here test one dot b in a previous class maybe one idea is equal to test two dot b. I am typing. Okay na? Hello, 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 hello. It is audible now. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, okay. And now here, okay, some problem. And now here, check it out. Concentrate here. This is the way I am telling up to now. Okay, so now in a previous class, but unfortunately, up to this one you are learning. Okay, fine. Today left outer, right outer, full outer, very easy only. But before we are going to start that one advanced concept, I am telling only. Up to now we are not discussing what is that one means. Screen observe it. Screen observe it. Here, how many common columns are there? Two common columns, A, B. How many times these common columns are displayed? AB one time, again AB two times. Whenever we are using a star means common columns, how many number of times the common columns are there, those number of times, those common columns it is displayed. But unfortunately, in place of on clause, we can also use a specialized clause is there. In every relational database in ANSYS join side, what is that clause means? Using is a clause. Within a using clause, common columns we are passing only A, comma B like this. Okay, fine. Whenever we are using a common columns within a where using clause, some special clause is there. In place of on clause, using is a clause is there. Up to now, we are not discussing. Whenever we are using a using clause, what happened in a where practically observe it here. What happened in a where practically means different. How many times common columns are available? Also, only one time only that common columns are displayed. Now check it out. Here AB, here in a previous case AB is there, but in this case AB how many times? Only one time. That's why If you want to display common columns only one time only, then we are using a what in place of on clauses, a specialized clause is there using clause. That is not required for you actually. But why I'm telling a what that advanced concept means, just here in a future natural join is there in that natural join internally this using clause algorithm is there. That purpose I'm telling only. That's why we can also use a using as a clause in place of on clause in ANSI joins, but whenever we are using a using clause, automatically database servers returns a what common columns only one time only one time. Number of times, okay, common columns are available also, only one time it is displayed output only. That is I want only just that extension, write it up to previous classes. We are learning what this output you are writing in a previous class. Yes, now write it after that one using clause, write it. This is advanced case, better to know. Using clause, using clause, using clause, write it. In Oracle 9i joins, not only 9i joins, every database ANSI joins. Okay. In Oracle 9i joins, we can also use use using clause, write it. We can also use using clause in place of on clause, in place of on clause. Using clause always returns, using clause always returns common columns one time only. Using clause always returns common columns one time only one time. Okay, suppose in a report side you want to display only one time common column, then we go for this clause also. Okay, yeah, this is advanced syntax, write it. Specialized case, select star based on star from table name one. Join is a keyword. Join table name two, like this in a number of tables. On clause is not there. Using is a clause is there. Here common columns, common column name one, comma common column name two, like this in a number of common columns also. This special case in a reporting side, you want that one is go for that one, otherwise not a problem. In SQL Server or MySQL, in all database also, this extra concept is available. Example. Directly write it this one. The previous class example based only, no? Yeah. 2 times common columns I'm writing, no? Yes, but here one time only, that is displayed output. Output, write it, very important. That output based this special clause also you are familiar. Slowly write it. Through this one left outer, right outer, full outer, naturally, easily understand. completed a fast. Anybody lately connected means this syntax, write it. A special clause is there. Then automatically this output. A be one time only. No? Yeah. Next. Finished fast. Very easy. This is special concept. Okay, now this is suppose in a reporting side, whenever star we are using, in that case, no need to display all the common columns. Only one time only common columns I want to display. Then we go for this one. Otherwise, don't go for this one. Okay, now? This is a reporting side. Okay, now? Fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. In a previous case, what I am typing, select a star from here. Now here EMP is a table. Again here, one of the stage I am telling you what, select a star from DEPT is a table. In these tables, DEPT is a what, 10, 20, 30, 40 is there, extra department number is there. Again, EMP table 10, 20, 30 is there. I want to display all the department numbers from DEPT table, means just I am writing a what, how can I? Select E name, comma, don't write it, CS salary, comma, D dot DEPT number, comma, D name, comma, location. Here from EMP, comma, DEPT D here, where here E dot DEPT number, sorry, E dot DEPT number is equal to D dot DEPT number. This is a equi join in ATAC class, I am telling only. But unfortunately, in that case, D dot department number also here 40 does not displayed. Already I am telling or not, always equi joins returns matching rows. In that classes, what I am telling, I want to display non-matching rows. 40 at the department also means just we are using a what? Extension of the vocation of join condition here. Plus is a join operator I am using only. Whenever we are using a what plus, automatically opposite side only all the department numbers it will display. That's why DEPT all department number 40 also displayed or not. Yes, this is the way I am telling in a previous class. This is the outer join, but unfortunately, the same 40 operation Boston, I want to display non-matching rows also 40 operation Boston. In this example side, I want to use a what here, which join, just a 9i join side. Now tell me, anybody converting a what, this join into 9i join means just we have to remove the plus here, this plus minus, these type of things are not there. Just in place of where class we are using a what, very good, on class, okay, very good. Now I want to display 40 department also, then in place of comma in a from class, we are using a what, which join, right outer join or left outer join, left outer or right outer, only one thing is correct. Maybe anybody guessing is great. Tell me, left outer or right outer or left outer. Just here only output I want to display 40th department also in this example side. Now here then we are using a what, right outer or left outer, right outer or left outer. What is left outer, what is right outer, up to today I am not telling only. Why? Because this concept purpose. Anybody tell me, guess it? Yes, very good. Right outer or left outer? Very good. Right outer join is a correct answer. Why? Because yes, here why right outer join is a correct answer means, or right join is correct answer means, right outer join means right side table all the rows. Left outer join means very easy, left side table all the rows. Observe here. Right outer join means right side table all the rows. 8i join means confusing, opposite side, but here not like that. Right outer join means right side table all the rows. Right side table, which one is a what right side table in this example? DEPT table, very good. In a DEPT table all the rows, very good. Now some fellows are guessing only, yes, DEPT table all the rows. Here 40 it will display or not. Okay, so many fellows having idea. Okay, right outer join means right side table all the rows. Left outer join means left side table all the rows. In every database that will be there, but unfortunately here right outer join means right side table all the rows it will be displayed. Okay, but which one is the right side table? Yes, DEPT D is a correct answer, otherwise D dot department number is a correct answer. Only one thing is correct only. Here so many fellows are confusing. DEPT D is a correct answer, otherwise D dot department number is a correct answer. Only one thing is correct. DEPT table, okay, but right outer join means right outer join table. This one is a what, DEPT or D dot department number. Only one thing is correct. Very good. D dot department number is a wrong answer. After outer join, right outer join keyword is there. No, after keyword only whatever thing is there, that one DEPT D is a correct answer. Very good. One fellow is guessing DEPT D is a correct answer. DEPT D is available in a right side of the where right outer join syntax only. Now that keyword, okay, that's why DEPT D is a correct answer. Now don't write it anything, just observe it here. Okay, fine. Yes, here Now suppose this is correct or not, after this keyword only, right and left only, it will be treating. How can I thinking that one means just here we are changing only in place of EMPE, just I'm using a what? DEPT. Again here, yes, in place of yes here DEPT EMPE, I'm changing. Okay, for example, in this case, right outer join. Right outer join means what? Which table? Yes, EMP table. EMP table all the rows. EMP table all the rows means yes, here only 10, 20, 30. Observe here. Oh, maybe 10, 20, 30 is available or not? Yes, here. Now here, now check it out. That's why always right outer join means right side table all the rows. Suppose left outer join means left side table all the rows. Left side table here DEPT table all the rows. It will be displayed or not. 40 operations Boston like this only. That's why always left outer joins and right outer joins very easy. Left outer join means what? Left side table all the rows. Right outer join means what? Right side table all the rows. But unfortunately, in an interview asking like that, don't try to tell like that. That is correct also. Yes, some other thing also we are telling only. What is that one means? I will tell you. Suppose now here check it out. Select a star from EMP. Sorry, EMP place test one. In a previous case, table is there or not? Don't write it. Just observe it. Again here another table is what? Select a star from test two. Diagrammatically also next I will tell you test two like this. In these two tables, slowly observe here. Just I'm writing a inner join in a previous case. Select a star from here. Test one here. Join is a keyword in a previous case. Test two like this. On here, test one dot A is equal to now here yes here test two dot A and now here yes test one dot B is equal to. Here in a previous classes, we are writing about this big syntax now. And now test one dot B is equal to test two dot B. This is an inner join only. Okay, fine. Yes, here matching rows, it will display. But I don't want like this. I want to convert into left outer join. Left outer join means what? Left space join, otherwise left space outer space join in a keyword. But left outer join means left side table all the rows. In a future, this diagrammatically we are learning only Venn diagrams only. Left side table all the rows, left side table all the rows. And also right side table matching rows also displayed here. These are matching rows, right side table matching rows. And also in place of non-matching rows here null values are there. That much of powerful. And now here check it out. Yes, here left outer join means not only left side table all the rows, left side table all the rows it will be written, and right side table matching rows, and also in place of non-matching rows null values are displayed. Really correct. Now check it out. Yes, observe it here. Yes. Now observe here, concentrate here. Left side table, all the rows, it will be displayed X, Y, Z, P, Q, R like this. Left side table, all the rows. Right side table, matching rows. Here like this, X, Y is matching rows. And also non-matching rows place null values. Here null values are available or not? Yes, here. This is very, very, very important definition, but easy. Nothing is there in a database also. This one, that's my next diagrammatically join, subtraction, those things we are learning is these all the things, nothing is there. But write it one by one. Left outer join. Left outer join. Left outer join. Write it some theory. Side heading, left outer join. In a database also same. Left side table, all the rows you have to remember it, but interviewer asked me this much of things we have to explain because that is easy, no? Left outer join, write it. This join returns all rows from left side table, all rows from left side table, and matching rows from right side table, and matching rows from right side table, and also returns null values, and also return null values in place of non-matching rows, in another table, in place of non-matching rows in another table. Example, okay, direct syntax is not required. No, just here, join keyword place left, right, we are using, no? Yeah, so now. This is the way only, 1 minute only, just observe it here, okay. Very easy through these tables only, very easy. Already in a previous class, you have an idea. Those tables only, that's why left side table, all the rows like this. Here, right side table, matching rows. Non-matching rows place, null values like this. Okay, yeah, so now that is your program. Write it fastly. This theory already have an idea, no? This theory, note it down. This example, write it. Tables already have an idea, no? That's why again I'm not trying the tables. Here null value place here like this one. You have to draw this one. Write it this one. This output, write it. Join, subtraction through. These are all the things. Very easy way we are learning. Fastly write it. Easiest concept in every database, left outer, right outer, pull out. Complete it out fast. Left join or left outer join. Can I complete it out fastly, write it. Now, right outer join. That is right space, outer space, join or right join. Through one example is there next only. Through that one, everyone is understandable. But before that one, enter question purpose, this type of things. Right outer join. Right outer join means nothing is there. Right side table, all the rows. Here in a feature diagrams are there. Here right side table, all the rows. Left side table, matching rows. And non-matching rows place what? Null values. Here right side table, all the rows. 1 minute observe here. Just I am writing a what in place of left only. Yes, here right I'm using. Right side table, all the rows. Observe here. Right side table, all the rows. X, Y, S, T is all the rows. Left side table, matching rows. Matching rows, X, Y. But matching rows means non-matching data. Z also displayed. I'm telling you, matching rows. In place of non-matching rows only here, another table. Here, null values. Here, null value is there or not? Yes, here like this. This is the way. Write it some theory first. So writing right outer join. Very easy. Right outer join. First write it. This join returns all rows from right side table, all rows from right side table, and matching rows from left side, and matching rows from left side table, and also returns and also returns null values and also returns null values in place of and also returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table simple opposite no. This example this output also write it, okay, fastly write it because already on idea logically observe it here enough. Completed fast. Now here next full outer join. Full outer join. 1 minute observation. Suppose select star, don't write, select star from test 1 is there. Here select a star from here test 2 like this only in a future. And now here observe here. Whenever we are using a what, so now here a full outer join means all the rows from all the tables it will display. So many fellows are asking, can we convert a full outer join into union all? In a future union all, intersect minus they are asking only. Now here in a future I will tell you set operators after is there. In that case, okay, columns are matching A, B is there. Okay, so another columns are not there like that only. Exact number of columns are there. Then yes, union all also full outer join also all rows from all the tables it will display. But unfortunately, full outer join in place of non-matching rows, null values also displayed. But in this case, union null is not working. Why? Because here only 3 columns are there here, and also here 2 columns are there. Exact matching is required. 2 columns means 2 columns. 3 columns means 3 columns like that only. Enough here number of result columns is a problem. That is in a future. So now I will tell you those concepts in a way in your set operator side. But before that one, just here full outer join means all the which was now here yes rows from all the tables. Suppose here in this case 2 tables are there means 2 tables all the rows in a way. But unfortunately in place of non-matching rows null values are displayed. We cannot control that one. Observe here. So now all the rows from all the tables and also in place of non-matching rows null values. Suppose here right place just we are using a what full space outer space join like this. Here observe here. Yes, here XYST is a one table data. And also XYZ PQR, another table data. But non-matching rows place null values here, null value 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 like this. Write it full outer join. Full outer join returns, write it fast. Full outer join returns all rows from both the tables. Two tables here, both the tables. All rows from both the tables, because it is a combination of because it is a combination of left and right outer joins. Left and right outer joins. And also this join returns null values in place of non-matching rows in another table. In place of non-matching rows in another table. But unfortunately here, just I'm copying this one, different output. No? Null values are available. We cannot control that for null values. Okay, yeah. Write it fastly. All rows from both the tables, that is remember it enough. In a future union also is there, but column structures are number of columns. These reports you want means then use it. I want to control null values means in this case not possible. Fastly write it. The null value. Here null. Write it output correctly, write it. Complete fast. Output. Okay. And now here next last join, natural join. Through the join subtraction, next all the concepts you are understandable. This one. Write it sided natural join. This is a totally different join. Now slowly observe here, slowly observe it. Up to now, you are observing or not. 8A joins we are writing means compulsory developers are writing joining condition where clause through. Again, in a 9A joins we are writing means on clause through we are writing a join condition. But unfortunately, without using a want, without writing a want, this joining condition also can we retrieve the data from the multiple tables? Possible. That is called a natural join. In a natural join, you are not writing a joining condition. I am not writing a joining condition. But whenever we are using a natural join keyword, Oracle server, SQL server, DB2 servers internally uses uses joining condition. How it is possible means whenever tables having a what common columns, then only this join is possible, otherwise impossible. But this join why not popular means only drawbacks are there. This join always only 2 tables only it was working, 3 or 4 or 5 number of tables not working. And also some other drawback is there. I will tell you. First theory write it, then I'm showing you practically. Up to now here on clause is there. Here on clause you are not writing also natural joins are working. But whenever tables having a common column, then only this join is working. Otherwise impossible. Impossible only. Okay, na? Yes, write it. Natural join. Write it. This join also returns. This join also returns matching rows only. Matching rows only. In this join, write it, something write it. In this join, we are not allowed to use. We are not allowed to use. We are not allowed to use joining condition. Joining condition. We are not allowed to use joining condition. Sorry, joining condition explicitly. Internally. Joining condition explicitly because whenever tables having common columns, then only Oracle server internally automatically establishes joining condition based on common columns. Based on common columns. Syntax, write it. Select star from table name 1, natural join table name 2. Firstly write it. Then I'm showing you practical. Only 2 tables only it is working. Now concentrate here, practical observed here. Today very important concept, one concept I will tell you. Before that one, these all things. And now here, check it out. Finished, fast. And now check it out. In this case, so much of joining conditions up to now we are writing, but unfortunately in these tables, common columns are there. Don't write it. Just observe here. Whenever I'm converting a what, this join into natural join means we are eliminating a what, joining condition, not required to write. Here we are using a what? Natural join is a keyword. Natural join is a keyword. Natural join is a keyword. But unfortunately, why this is this much of simple? Also, why this is not popular? So many fellows are doesn't have an idea. Means one problem is there. Whenever we are using a natural join in a database, internally using clause algorithm used by the database servers. Whenever using clauses are there, common columns, how many times are displayed? Common columns, one time only displayed. That is important. That is a report you want, means then go for that one. Otherwise, don't go for that one. That's why so many fellows are not using this join. Whenever we are using a natural join, internally database servers uses using clause. That's why this join also returns common columns one time only, output one time. But whenever common columns are there, then only this join is working, otherwise not working only. Now check it out. Yes, here one time only displayed or not? Yes, common columns one time only. Same like a using clause algorithm is there internally. Same thing only. Here A, B, one time only it is available. That's why up to now I am not telling you what this one only practically. Write it, write a note. Write a note, write it. Write a note. This join also returns. This join also returns common columns one time only. One time only. Because natural join internally uses using clause. Internally uses using clause. Example, fastly write it. Some other concept I'm telling only in this joins. Write it fastly. Just a star I'm using means then very easy, but whenever columns we are using means natural join and using class, some problems are there. That is later. First, easiness purpose, this all. Today, one important concept I will tell you, join side. Then all the joins diagrammatically, one example through easily understandable. Join subtraction, how interviewer asking me, I will tell you, but this is very easy. What is what? You have an idea means enough. This one. This join also returns common columns one time only because natural join internally uses using class in a database like this. Okay. Actually, in a project side, we are using a what 2 or 3 joins only, but all the joins we are learning what is what like that one. Why? Because whenever necessary, they are using a what reporting system. This is the output I want. This is the report I want. In that case only, you are utilizing a what these joins. But practically, regularly used joins are inner joins and outer joins. And now here finished. And now next last two concepts in a where in a joins only what is what. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. First initial class I am telling. Whenever before we are starting a what a joins means one concept I am telling. Without using a what in a joining condition also in a from class some table names we are using means internally database server Oracle server uses cross join I am telling. Same cross join report I want today, for example. Same cross join report I want only. In that case, how can I just observe here? This is a table is there, and now here yes here. Select a star. Okay, so now whatever this one is there. Now here check it out. These are the select star from test 1, natural join, test 2 is there. But here I am writing a what? NA join we are converting to where 9I joins means you have an idea. And now here how can I just normally select E name, comma, salary, comma, D dot department number we are using maybe. And now here very good. D name, comma, location. These type of things I am telling. But easiness purpose, D name, comma, location I'm using only from EMP, EMP, comma, DEPT. This is the first day before we are starting a what joins. I am telling like this. Just in a from clause we are using a what number of tables. After select only number of columns we are specifying means internally Oracle server uses cross join. I'm telling or not? Yes, first initial stage. Internally, Oracle server uses cross join. I'm telling, but unfortunately, here this is a cross join, everyone knows. But this type of reports nobody using. But what is the inter question means? I want to convert this one into where ANSI standard cross join. ANSI standard cross join means in every database cross join report I want. Otherwise, Oracle 9i onwards, this join, this 8i join, I want to convert into where 9i join only cross join. How can I? Two changes. One is what in place of where clause we are using on clause, but unfortunately here where clause is not there. Second one is just in place of comma. You are observing or not, in place of comma, we are using a what? Which keyword? Join is a keyword, but unfortunately, this is a dangerous mechanism. Whenever we are using a what? A join keyword, it won't work. It won't work. So many fellows are mistaken here only. Can we convert all the joins into where 9s standard joins or ANSI standard joins means possible? How can I? Two changes. One is what in place of joining condition where clause on clause only. In place of comma, we are using a what? That a join name only. But unfortunately, here cross join we are cannot convert into where join keyword to impossible. Now check it out. I try to use a join keyword, impossible. Error. Why? Because by default in a Oracle 8i side, cross join is a what? A default join. But unfortunately, in ANSI standard side, cross join is not a default join. If you want cross join report means just we are using a what? A cross join is a keyword explicitly. Just we are using cross join is a keyword explicitly we are using only, then only working. Otherwise impossible. Observe here. That's why cross join explicitly available in a where ANSI standard joins only. Write it. Side heading cross join. That's why in a MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, these books we are referring means cross join also explicitly there. But Oracle programmer cross join, they doesn't have an idea, not a problem. Why? Because Oracle 8i side from clause, a number of tables, comma means enough. But here, my interest purpose, other databases, some fellows are learning. That's why cross join explicitly I'm typing, right? It cross join. Now example directly write it. Cross join is a keyword we are using. Okay, otherwise it won't work. Okay, select E name, comma, salary, comma, D name, comma, location, because alias name we are not required. No, from here, what is the table? EMP, cross join, here DEPT. That's why explicitly we are using a what? Cross join is a keyword. Okay, now onwards, very important. 5 minutes concentrate now. Most powerful concept in a way join side today. This one only. Now I will tell you. Based on that one, join subtraction we are telling. Very important. What is that one means? Observe here. Anybody you are observing or not, any YouTubes you are observing, any lecturers you are observing also, any notes you are observing, is everyone telling about common column based only joins they are telling. Why? Because or maybe in a real-time project side here, primary key, foreign key columns are there, those constraints are there. Next chapter side, primary key, foreign key we are learning. In that case, 80% of the case, that column based only, that is common columns only, same column names they are giving in a project side. That's why in a project-oriented based only, everyone telling easiness purpose and natural joins and using clause easily understandable purpose, common column based only, they're telling. But unfortunately, joins means not like that really. In every relational databases also, whenever common columns are not available also, without common columns are not available also, we are retrieving a what? Yes, data from multiple tables by using a joins possible. Why? Because joins works based on the where data type matching, not a common column matching. But real-time project side, common columns also available because primary key, foreign key constraints are available and aware. Yes, same columns in 80% of the case. That's why learners purpose only everyone telling like that. But unfortunately, reality side, whenever outside you are checking, maybe anybody checking or not, I don't know. Whenever same data type is there, based on that data type only, we are establishing a relation between the what? Tables only by using a joins enough. Whenever tables does not have a common columns also, whenever joining conditional columns having a same data type, then working. That is most powerful. That based only next concept is there, join subtraction, most powerful only. That is very important. In all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables by using join when tables does not have common columns. Why? Because joins works based on the where columns data type only. Only data type is matching. Joining condition. Really correct? Yes. You have to interested to check means 1 minute. Observe here. Suppose here this is a table is there, test one, anything also. I'm creating means you are understandable. Any type of joins also. Now this is a key concept. This based only next extension we are learning. Suppose here this is that's why now you are telling like that. Now create table test one. Here every database A or B or anything your one wish. S number is a column number like this. Number is a data type I am giving. Now here I try to insert a data, insert into test one values like this. Here I'm writing a what? Ampersand S number like this. Whenever I'm using this one at 10, okay, anything also here 20, anything just roughly. Now here, yes. Now here this is a table is there. For example, select a star from here table test one. This is a S number is a column I'm taking. But in this case, I'm taking a what? B is a column, A is a column, but same data type number I'm using. Now it is working or not, check it out. Create table, test two. Okay, using class natural join not working also normally. Now here, yes, test two is a table. Here, A is a column I'm taking. Otherwise, department number is a column I'm taking. Yes, working. Now here, check it out. Same data type. And now here, observe here. Here, column is a what? Yes, number I'm taking in this case. Again, in this case, I'm taking a what? DPT number I'm taking it. Two different column names. Now here, I try to insert a data, anything, insert into table name, test two, here values like this only. Here ampersand DPT number, anything also. I am writing a what? 10, here 20, anything, your one wish, 30. Now here, check it out here. This is a table is there. Select a star from test two like this. Okay, fine. Now here, 1 minute observe here. Two tables observe 1 minute only. Select a star from here, test one. So now this is a table is there. Okay, fine. Again, another one is select a star from test two is a table is there. Both the tables common column is not there. Observe here. Here department number is there. Here S number. Here department number is there. Observe here. Totally I'm changing a what column names. But data type is same. Observe here. Now, can we retrieve the data from these two tables? Yes, by using joins. Yes, 100% work. Why? Because joins works based on the data types, column conditions, data types, not a common columns. Okay. Yes, here that is most powerful. That's why first we are not telling that one. In this stage only we are telling me so you are receiving very easy. And now here, check it out. Yes, I'm using a what inner join. How can I select a star from here? Test one. Here join is a keyword. Otherwise, comma, your one wish. Anything also test one. Only 8 I join means test one, comma, test two, your one wish. Yes, here where where here test one dot S number is equal to here test two dot department number working. Very, very, very important. Now here observe here, this is original. Okay, fine. Yes, here in this stage we are understandable because next onwards these type of things we are using here S number, here department number, but both the data types are same on. This is either 8i joins, otherwise 9i joins also here in place of. Okay, using clauses not working, but normally. And now here, now check it out. Here where clause, here place on. Okay, just in place of comma we are using a what? Join is a keyword. Now I try to execute like this, working or not. Very, 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 very important note. This one only. This is a key concept in a where in a joins. Write a note. Most powerful. Put a star. Write a note. In all relational databases, write it fastly. In all relational databases, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables. We can also retrieve data from multiple tables by using joins. When tables does not have common columns also. In this case, database servers, checks those columns means joining conditional columns. Those columns, data types only. Data types only. Those columns, data types only. Example, fastly write this one, create a table, table name, you have to write it, test one. Yes, number, otherwise A also, not a problem. B also your own wish. Now I'm inserting a data, insert into table name, test one, values like this. I'm using the data here like this. Simple. Write it this one. S number I'm taking. Example. Again another table also. Create table. Test two. And I join here. Here ABC. Anything. Department number I'm taking. Another column. Different column name. Now here insert into table name test. Any data, I am taking this data like this. One fellow is asking only why Murli sir Z is written in a previous case right outer join means yes, already I'm telling no. Now here yes, whenever we are using the word joins means not a matching data, matching rows. Matching rows means matching data is available in that row only. In that row, non-matching data is available also. It will be retro. Already we are discussing. That's why that much of tables are important. Example, right? Here, different column you have to take it in a database working because joins works based on the where data types only, not a common column base. First time newcomer purpose, common columns we are telling because project side common columns are available now. Yeah. That one time only. This one right now. Then how interviewer asking means join subtraction they're asking. How joins are very easy. Then I'm telling I want a diagrammatically here. Okay, one and another. Okay, tables drawing the Venn diagrams through. I'm telling only left outer, right outer, inner. Okay, full outer, and also join subtraction. What is that join subtraction? Elimination, matching rows. Those are all the things I'm telling. That is tomorrow better option. Tomorrow I will tell you those are all the things. Okay, and also another chapter we are starting. Tomorrow will continue remaining. Up to this one is enough. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you.